yesterday we got a confirmation from a lady from TH. He was in number 5 at UTMB. So we got Hisashi Kitamura, Alessandro Shah coming back again. Local runners, Milton Ahmad, David Simpa, Safri Sumping. There's a list of like 50 elite runners this year. We want to give you the experience, and that includes, why MMTF come about? 3 points before I stop. MMTF come about because we want to enhance the standard of trail running here in Malaysia. That means the trail performance of athletes, number 1. 2 is because we want to enhance the level of organizations here in Malaysia as well. With that, we hope that it will give everyone the perfect experience, pengalaman penuh, or the full experience in trail running. So, just be prepared, just invest your time. That's the only thing I say. If you do not work from now, the last 4 weeks, you're going to be in hell of pain. That's what I assure you. 100K, how many people?
100K. How many 100K? Come on.
Wow.
100K.
For the 100K, remember this.
Remember.
I'm Ewegene, I'm the race director, and I'm telling you this. The second big climb from the Indian temple to Box, the first 2 km, you're going to curse me. 50 km. 50 km, okay.
No cursing.
On the first climb itself, the first big climb, or the only big climb, 6 km, 1,200 meter elevation. Be prepared for that. Okay, because this is the only race in Malaysia that takes you into the Virgin Jungle Reserve, VJR plot. And it's wild. You can get it as wild as I'm doing it now. So be prepared. Spend some time on your own. Solitude, whatever you call it. More than 25K. 25 km. For 25, if you will run on the downhill, if you run on the flats, you can come back within 4 hours. If not, you'll be later than that. Okay? So when the race starts at 3, you know that if you do not run, you just walk, you're going to walk through the night and come back for the cut-off time. For the 13K, easy lemon squeezy.